Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Cardano. Cardano was founded back in 2017, and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native Cardano token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The Cardano token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. Sequoia Capital has announced its plans to raise around $500 to $600 million, with the aim of investing it exclusively in projects in the crypto space. With the announcement, Sequoia Capital has become the latest financial behemoth that is looking to invest in the crypto space heavily. The new sector-specific fund is one of the first sub-funds to be launched by Sequoia Capital since its restructuring that has seen its focus shift from the traditional venture capital structure. MasterCard is looking to expand its consulting arm by offering several new services dedicated to crypto, ESG, and open banking. MasterCard announced the initiatives with an eye on inducting enterprise growth and business evolution. The new consulting services will include consulting services for crypto and digital currencies, in addition to its current payments-focused consulting services. J.P. Morgan, the largest bank in the United States, has made its way to the metaverse, opening its Onyx Lounge in Decentraland. J.P. Morgan announced that it is looking for new opportunities in the metaverse, with the bank believing that the metaverse has the potential to bring in a revenue of $1 trillion per year. The Decentraland Lounge is named after the bank's suite of permissioned Ethereum services while also releasing a detailed paper describing opportunities in the metaverse. Crypto-related firms stole the show during the Super Bowl, with crypto exchanges taking up several ad spots during the championship game. The 2022 Super Bowl saw a considerable increase in crypto-related advertisements, with Coinbase and FTX making their Super Bowl debut. Several other crypto-related firms also featured in the Super Bowl ad spots, with prominent names being Meta, eToro, and Crypto.com. Mairead McGuinness, the EU Commissioner for Financial Services, Financial Stability, and Capital Markets Union, has urged regulators to create regulation for the crypto industry, calling it a global need. McGuinness also noted that it was important not to stifle the growth of the fledgling industry but also underlined the importance of addressing the risks associated with the industry that needed to be addressed at the earliest. Ukraine has swiftly moved to legalize cryptocurrencies as tensions with Russia continue to increase. The legalization comes against the backdrop of increasing crypto donations to Ukrainian volunteer and hacking groups as border tensions escalate with Russia and the threat of a Russian invasion looms. Vice Prime Minister Mikhailo Fedorov stated that he hoped the new law would bring the crypto space out of the shadows. The United Arab Emirates has moved to prepare federal licenses that will enable global crypto companies to carry out their business in the UAE easily. Apart from federal licenses, the UAE is also planning on making the country a crypto-friendly one, extending invitations to virtual asset service providers to set up a base in the country. OpenSea was hit by a significant attack that resulted in NFTs worth millions being stolen or compromised, with hackers stealing NFTs and selling them, making a significant profit in the process. The attack occurred after a significant bug was discovered in the code, which allowed hackers to stake NFTs by using old listed prices without the owner's knowledge. OpenSea is investigating the hack and issued an advisory to users to not click on any malicious links. Melania Trump has denied allegations that the winning bid in her NFT auction led back to the project's creators. The denial comes after investigations showed that the crypto used to purchase the NFT came from a wallet owned by the same entity that had listed the particular NFT for sale. Lucrare's announcement that its team had received more than $30 million through staking the platform's Lux token has not gone down well with the community at large, with several members fearing a rug pull event. The cash-out led to significant outrage from the community, which is now demanding a Lux token buyback. However, despite the noise, Lucrare has stated that the cash-out did not stem from any untoward incident. Cardano has been one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market over the past few years. The time has come for its further expansion in the coming years. This virtual currency and blockchain network promise to change the way developers and network participants interact with blockchain networks. Indeed, Cardano wants to simplify, speed up and reduce the cost of using the blockchain network for any user. In the following sections, we will look at all the details about Cardano and why we think 2022 could be a good year for this digital currency. Let's now focus on the fundamental analysis of Cardano. Cardano is working to offer new scalability solutions to crypto participants. Decentralized finance and interchangeable tokens have become very important parts of the blockchain market. The goal is to enable developers to find a stable and scalable blockchain that could handle more bandwidth without worrying about fees and transaction time. In order for blockchain networks to become widespread, they must process thousands of transactions in a matter of seconds, and this is something that blockchain networks have yet to do. Cardano may become one of the first blockchain networks that can solve these long-term problems affecting the cryptocurrency market. Let's now focus on analyzing Cardano prices for the coming years. It is impossible to make a clear prediction of what might happen. Over the past few years, we have witnessed the expansion of Cardano and the achievement of the highest positions in the cryptocurrency market. But investors would like to know what could happen in the future and in the coming years as the market continues to grow. Cardano is expected to continue to grow. It is difficult to predict how far the Cardano price can go. However, we can compare Cardano with other blockchain networks. If Cardano reaches the market valuation of the upcoming financing, the Cardano price may rise to $2.50. Comparing Cardano with other blockchain networks does not mean that the price can move in this direction. This is just an easy way to understand what the price of Cardano will be at a certain market penetration. With the wider adoption of Cardano, it is possible that Cardano will continue to move higher, and this is highly possible. Now it's time to focus on Cardano price forecasting. The prediction of the Cardano price will depend on fundamental and technical factors. That's why we are conducting the necessary analysis for people and investors to understand what could happen to this virtual currency in the coming years. In the following sections, we will take a detailed look at what can happen with Cardano and how the market can develop. It is important to understand that these are just simple estimates. We are not financial advisors. This is for educational purposes only.